A small candle, 2.5 centimeters in size, is the height of the image, is denoted by H, is placed at 27 centimeters in front of a concave mirror. This is the object distance object distance denoted by U, and it is called pole of the mirror. It is a focal point, and it is a radius of curvature for this concave mirror. So the object is placed in front of concave mirror at 27 centimeters. Since object is placed in front of mirror, the light rays, incoming light rays, goes from left to right. As per the sine rule, the object distance, which is measured from, since it is measured from P to object location opposite to the incoming light, so it is taken as a negative. It is taken as a negative 27 centimeters. And the radius of curvature is 36 centimeters. The radius of curvature is 36 centimeters. Therefore, F equal to R by 2, since the radius of curvature is measured from pole to center of curvature, which is also opposite to this incoming light. So it is also taken as a negative, that is minus 36 centimeters by 2, that is equal to minus 18 centimeters. Right. At what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed in order to obtain a sharp image? Describe the nature and size of image. If the candle is moved closer to the mirror, how would the screen have to be moved? So to obtain a sharp image, screen should be placed at the location of the image formed. And since the object is placed in between center of curvature and focal point, the object is real and inverted, and the object formed beyond C in this location. The object will be formed in this location. So the screen should be placed at the position of the image, then we can get a sharp image on the screen. So we can get the location, we can know the location of the position of the image by solving this problem using a mirror equation or ray diagram. So first we try to draw a ray diagram. Use two principal rays. One is parallel to principal axis. This ray is coming from the object, tip of the object. So it is refracted by the mirror, and after refraction it should pass through the focal point. This is the refractor ray. So for this incident ray, this is refractor ray. Take another principal ray, that is which is incident at the location of the pole with some angle, which makes some angle with the principal axis. From the law of reflection, it should reflected with the same angle. the same angle. So this is the location of the image formed, which is a real because it is formed in front of the mirror and inverted. You can observe it is magnified. It is denoted by h dash, and this is taken as the image distance. Use a mirror equation to get the value, that is 1 by u plus 1 by b equal to 1 by f. So 1 by b equal to 1 by f minus 1 by u, that is u minus f by fu or uf. Therefore v equal to, take reciprocal for about this equation, reciprocal of v from the v, that is fu by u minus f. What is that? U minus 27 minus of minus 18 by minus 18 into minus 27 by minus 27 minus of minus 18. This is equal to minus 54 centimeters. So this is a 54 centimeters. V equal to 54 centimeters. So it is negative since the image distance, which is measured from 4 to location of the image. This is location of the image and this is 4 from right to left, but incoming light is incoming light or incident right, which is left to right, so it is positive, which is positive. Magnification 5 centimeters. So magnification of the image, it is called linear magnification. M equal to minus v by u, minus of minus 54 centimeters by minus 27 centimeter, it is equal to minus 2 centimeters. We know that there is another formula for linear magnification. M equal to minus h dash by h, image height by object height. From this we can get image height equal to linear magnification into object height, that is minus 2 into 2.5 centimeter, which is given in our question, 2.5 centimeters object height. Therefore h dash equal to minus 5 centimeters. Now the properties of image or characteristics of image. Since m less than 0, it is a real image, so m is a negative value. Modulus of m is 2, so it is greater than 1, therefore image is magnified. Since h dash is a negative, h dash is negative, that is object image height is negative. It means inverted image. We obtain the same type of image by drawing a ray diagram for this situation. So the image is formed in front of the mirror, that is a real. Image is inverted, so opposite to the object. So the object is placed above the principal axis, but the image is formed below the principal axis. Since it is called, therefore it is called inverted. And you can see there is a large image is formed compared to the size of the object. So it is a magnified image. There is one more question. So this nature is a real image, inverted image and magnified image size. If the candle is moved closer to the mirror, how would the screen have to be moved? Since initially the candle, that is object, is placed in between center of curvature and focal point. Now as it is moved towards the mirror, that is closer to the mirror, the image is formed away from the mirror. So to obtain the sharp image, the screen should be moved away from the mirror. Once the candle is placed, reaches the position of focal point, the image is formed at infinity. That means very large, because 1 by u plus 1 by v equal to 1 by f. Since u equal to f, that is 1 by v equal to 1 by f minus 1 by f, that is 0, v equal to infinity. So the infinity is means very large distance from the mirror. That means the image is formed at very longer distance from the mirror, and it is a real and magnified one. Even though if the candle, that is object, is moved closer to the mirror, the image should becomes a virtual. The image becomes a virtual. That is, image uh, appears to be formed behind the mirror. So we cannot get sharp image because it is virtual. This is about what is called virtual image. Thank you.